I've been exploring the Hoop mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Hoop is a social networking app designed to help teens and young adults discover new friends from around the world and then continue the conversation on other platforms like Snapchat. It is built around quick profile browsing and light social discovery rather than deep, long-term community groups, so it tends to appeal most to users who enjoy swipe-style apps and casual chatting. At its core, Hoop lets you explore a large pool of profiles either from your own country or globally with a simple card-style interface where you go through people one by one. When you see someone interesting, you can send a friend request, and if they accept, you get the chance to add them on their social apps, such as Snapchat. This approach keeps your main social accounts somewhat protected, because you only share them after you have decided you are comfortable connecting. In everyday use, that means you can browse casually and only move conversations off the app when there is mutual interest. However, there are recurring complaints that show the experience is not flawless. One user notes that it sometimes took an entire day before any profiles appeared, and that updates to things like their bio could be slow to show, suggesting occasional lag and interface glitches. Another reviewer describes Hoop as incredibly underdeveloped for its popularity, pointing out bugs where accepted requests do not always reveal more than the first picture and features that feel missing or reduced compared with earlier versions, such as filtering by distance or showing a more detailed bio. These issues can make the app feel less efficient at helping you actually get to know potential friends, especially if you care about seeing more than just a face. Overall, Hoop is a solid choice if you value a simple, swipe-style way to meet new people and do not mind moving conversations onto other platforms once you match. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.